Good morning, boys. Today I will discuss bank reconciliation statement. First of all, you see what do you mean by bank reconciliation statement? The statement which is prepared to reconcile the bank balance as per cash book with bank balance as per passbook or vice versa is called bank reconciliation statement. The statement which is prepared to reconcile the bank balance as per cash book with bank balance as per passbook or vice versa is called bank reconciliation statement. Here you see the format of cash book. Cash book may be of different types: single column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book. Cash book, you see the format of cash book as you prepare column date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, cash column, bank column. I have taken the format of double column cash book. Here you will have to write debit. So first column date, second particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, cash column, bank column. Similarly, in the credit side, first column date, particulars, the next column will be voucher number, then after ledger folio, next column cash column, and next will be bank column. So there are two sides in cash book, debit side and credit side. This is the format of cash book. But the format of passbook is not same. You see the format of passbook. Passbook contain the following column. First column date, second column particulars, next column check number, next withdrawals, next column deposit, and the last column balance. This is the format of passbook. It is cash book and that is passbook. Here I want to tell you that cash book is maintained by account holder, or you can say businessman. Cash book is maintained by businessman. and passbook is maintained by bank or banker, whenever transaction take place, the businessman make the recording of that transaction in bank column of cash book, and that is also recorded in passbook. If the transaction is related with check, suppose received a check amounting rupees 10,000 from Ram. Suppose the date is 1/4/2020. So you will have to make the posting 2020 April 1 to Ram, and it will be recorded in bank column. If the check is deposited into the bank on the same day, you will make the recording in bank column of cash book 10,000. And if you have sent the check to bank for deposit, then it will be recorded in passbook in deposit column. So these transactions will be made in both. But remember it, bank cannot make any recording in cash book. Similarly, a businessman cannot make any recording in passbook. One thing I want to tell you that in place of passbook, bank may send bank statement. Bank statement is just like a passbook. The basic difference is that the bank statement is in a loose form and passbook is in a book form. This is the only difference. Otherwise, almost bank statement and passbook both are same. Now see the purpose of preparing bank reconciliation statement. So this is the original format of passbook, but in order to prepare a bank reconciliation statement, I would like to tell you the format of passbook in different way so that you can easily solve the problem. Now see one by one. See cash book. Only for solving the problem, you may draw in short a format of cash book in debit side, credit side. All the receipts are shown in debit side. All the payments are shown in credit side of cash book. See in the passbook, you may make a small passbook in other form only in order to solve the problem. Actually, not a format of passbook. You can apply this format only to solve the problem of bank reconciliation statement. In debit side, credit side, actually there is no debit and credit side, you can say. But debit side and credit side you may. Here you may write payments. You see payment, and in credit side receipts. Just a small format. By this cash book and passbook, I will explain how you can solve the problem. So before solving the problem, you see the causes of disagreement. Causes of disagreement. What are the causes of disagreement? Number one, check sent to bank but not collected. Rupees 10,000. See, check sent to bank but not collected. rupees 10,000 are credited, collected or credited in passbook, you may write. So what would be effect of this transaction, you see? Check sent to bank, when the check will be sent to bank, then the businessman will make the recording in cash book. Mind it, here cash book only bank column. Only bank column will be considered at the time of preparing the BRS. So when you have sent the check to bank, you will make the recording in debit side, rupees 10,000. And if the cash book is debited, mind it, if the cash book is debited, it means the balance of cash book will increase. If you make recording in cash book will increase. The balance of cash book will increase. And if the cash book is credited, then balance will decrease. The balance of cash book will decrease. See again, if the cash book is debited, the bank balance of cash book will increase. If cash book is credited, bank balance of cash book will decrease. But in case of passbook, mind it, if passbook is credited, then balance will increase. Plus here means increase. And if the passbook is debited, balance of passbook will decrease. So just opposite. So here I have given one example. Now see, the balance may be given either from the debit side, number one balance, the bank balance as per cash book, or it is known as debit balance of cash book, debit balance as per cash book, or you can say favorable balance of cash book, favorable balance of cash book. See, bank balance as per cash book means debit side is greater than credit side. It is also called debit balance of cash book. Debit balance means debit side is greater than credit side. That is called debit balance. Or you can say favorable balance means receipts are greater than payments. That's why it is also known as favorable balance of cash book. Number two, when bank credit balance, or we can say overdraft balance as per cash book. Overdraft balance as per cash book. Overdraft means when payment is more than receipt. That is called overdraft. Or you may say credit balance as per cash book. Credit balance as per cash book. Or unfavorable balance as per cash book. Unfavorable balance as per cash book. Unfavorable balance as per cash book. Overdraft balance as per cash book means when payment is more than receipt, that is called overdraft. Or you can say credit balance means credit side is greater than debit side, and when the payment is more than receipt, that is called unfavorable balance of cash book. Similarly, there will be two balances of passbook. Number three, bank balance as per passbook. Bank balance as per passbook, or credit balance as per passbook, or credit balance as per passbook, or favorable balance as per passbook, or favorable balance as per passbook. See number 3, bank balance as per passbook means receipt side is greater than payment, means credit side is greater than debit side. That is also called credit balance as per passbook. Are favorable when receipts are more than payment, that is favorable. Number 4 and last, overdraft balance as per passbook. Overdraft balance as per passbook or debit balance as per passbook, or you may write unfavorable balance as per passbook. See, overdraft balance as per passbook when payment is more than receipt, that is called overdraft balance as per passbook. Or debit balance means debit side is greater than credit side of passbook, are unfavorable because payment is more than receipt, it is unfavorable. So there will be 4 balances, 2 from cash book and 2 balances from passbook. Any one of them may be given in problem. Sometimes 2 balances are given, bank balance of a cash book and bank balance of a passbook may be given, so one will be answer. So now see bank reconciliation statement through a problem. I am going to solve one problem. You see, the problem. First, let me write the problem from the following particulars. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2020. Number 1, bank balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book, rupees 10,000. Number 2, check issued but not presented. Check issued but not presented for payment, rupees 2,000. Number 3, check sent to bank but not credited in passbook, rupees 1,000. Number 4, interest allowed by bank rupees 500 but not recorded in cash book. Number 5, bank charges debited in passbook. Debited in passbook, but not shown in cash book. So interest allowed by bank rupees 500 but not recorded in cash book. Bank charges debited in passbook but not shown in cash book, rupees 100. And one more, insurance premium paid by bank but not recorded in cash book. Insurance premium paid by bank but not recorded in cash book, rupees 400. So these are the contents of this problem. From the following particulars, prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2020. Bank balance as per cash book is given. Check issued but not presented for payment, rupees 2000. Check issued sent to bank but not credited in passbook. Interest allowed by bank, rupees 500 but not recorded in cash book. Bank charges debited in passbook but not shown in cash book. Insurance premium paid by bank but not recorded in cash book, rupees 500. So first you see the format. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2020. See, the format is very easy. Particulars, amount, rupees. Here you can write details. Amount. So first of all, you see, just I am going to show it in a cash book. See cash book. Debit side, credit side. Receipt receipts, and credit side is payment. If you debit the cash book, position will be in plus. If you credit the cash book balance will decrease. Now see the passbook. Credit plus debit minus, because payments are shown in debit side and receipts are shown in credit side. This is the format. On the basis of this cash book and passbook, I will solve this problem. You see one by one. So first of all, you write down the balance which is given. So bank balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book. It will be shown in outer column the amount of bank balance as cash book, rupees 10,000. Then you write down in outer column rupees 10,000. Then you write here add and less by leaving some space. Now see one by one. See, check issued but not presented for payment. What happened? When the check issued, then the businessman will make the recording in payment side. It means you can say that cash book is in a minus position and it was not presented for payment. It means the passbook is in a plus position. So first of all, you find out the position of both books by a transaction. See again, check issued but not presented for payment. When the check is issued, the businessman will make the recording in the payment side of cash book. Consequently, the bank balance of cash book will decrease. Here, in this case, bank balance of cash book is decreased by 1000. The check was not presented into bank, therefore the passbook is in a plus position. Now, according to the balance given of the book, you change. If the position is in a minus position, then you change in plus. So, it will be added. Then the number 2 will be added and write down check issued, narration check issued but not presented. Check issued but not presented for payment. In details column, the amount is 2000. Amount is 2000. Now see the next. Check sent to bank but not credited in passbook. Not credited in passbook. See, means when the check will be deposited into the bank, the businessman will make the recording in cash book. Therefore, the position of cash book is in a plus position, while the passbook is in a minus position because it was not credited in passbook. Therefore, passbook is in a minus position, cash book is in a plus position. Since the cash book balance is given, therefore, it will be changed in minus. Then you write down narration number 3. Check sent to bank. Check sent to bank but not credited. But not credited in passbook. Not credited in passbook. The amount is 1000. In details column, the amount is 1000. The amount will be 1000. Now see number 4. You see the first, number 1, number 2, number 3. See the number 4, interest allowed by bank rupees 500. Allowed by bank, but not recorded in cash book. When the interest will be allowed by bank, the bank will credit the passbook. It means the P is in a plus position. P is in a plus position. C is in a minus position. P means passbook, C means cash book. So when interest is allowed by bank, P, the bank balance of P will increase and bank balance of cash book will is not recorded, therefore it is in minus position. So first of all, you decide the position. By this transaction, interest allowed by bank, P is in a plus position, C is in a minus position. Since it is in a minus position, therefore it will be plus. Then number 4 will be in plus. Interest allowed by bank. Interest allowed by bank but not entered in cash book. But not entered in cash book. But not entered in cash book. The amount of interest is rupees 500. 500. Number 4. Now see number 5. Bank charges debited in passbook. See, debited word is used in passbook. When the passbook is debited, passbook is in a minus. Passbook is in a minus position. When the passbook is debited, passbook is in minus position, and when passbook is credited, it is in a plus position. See again. Passbook. When the passbook is debited, passbook is in a minus position. When passbook is credited, passbook is in a plus position. In other words, you can say that when passbook is debited, bank balance of passbook will decrease. When the passbook is credited, bank balance of passbook will increase. So, bank charges debited in passbook, then the passbook is in a minus position. Passbook is in a minus position. and cash book is in a plus position, therefore it will be changed. Number 5, bank charges charged by bank. Bank charges charged by bank, the amount is 100. And the last but not entered in cash book. Next, insurance premium paid by bank but not recorded in cash book. Payment is made by bank. The payment will be shown in debit side, therefore passbook is in minus position. So P is in a minus position, C is in a plus position, therefore it will be minus. Then insurance premium paid by bank but not entered in cash book. The amount is 400. Now at last you will have to draw a line. 2000 plus 500 it will be written above this line. Then you plus both items, 12,500. Then you make the total of less item, 1,500. This. Then 1,500 will be minus from 12,500. Then you may write 2 minus 1, 1, 11,000. Then you will have the answer will be bank balance as per passbook. Here there is no space. That's why you will have to write here at last bank balance as per passbook. Bank balance as per cash book. Here you will have to write bank balance as per passbook. That is 11,000. Just I want to conclude in one sentence again. If the cash book is debited, mind it, the bank balance of cash book will increase. If cash book is credited, bank balance of cash book will decrease. In passbook, just opposite. If passbook is debited, bank balance of passbook will decrease. And if the passbook is credited, bank balance of passbook will increase. Plus means increase, minus means decrease. Here you may write here debit side of cash book plus, and if you credit the cash book minus. Thank you, watch.